Hi dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through a charming and wonderful magic mirror. Are you ready to step into the magic mirror? Come with me to this attractive magical lands. The magic mirror. On a rainy afternoon, having nothing to do, Ammu and her brother Arun were bored. Bored means feeling tired because one has nothing to do or has lost interest in somebody or something. So they sat looking out at the rain. To pass time, they decided to explore the attic of their home. Explore means to examine something completely or carefully in order to find out more about it. Attic means a room or space just below the roof of a house, often used for storing things. The attic was dark and dusty. Dark means with no or very little light. Dusty means covered with dust. They came across a mirror which was surprisingly clean and shiny. Came across means to find by chance. Shiny means reflecting lights. While they looked at their reflection in it, the old grandfather clock in the attic struck 5. Reflection means an image reflected by a mirror. That's weird, Arun said. Weird means strange. I thought the clock was junk. Junk means things that are considered useless or of little value. They felt the mirror was calling them. Arun stretched his hands towards the mirror. Stretch means to extend a limb. His hand went right through the mirror as if it were water. He withdrew his hand hastily. Withdrew means took back. Hastily means quickly. They looked at each other in amazement. Amazement means great surprise. Shall we step into the mirror? Arun asked. Step into means to lift and put down one step. Ammu nodded. Nod means to move the head up and down to show agreements. 1, 2, 3. They stepped into the mirror. Suddenly they found themselves in a forest. It was quite dark. Quite means completely. The leaves of the trees overhead blocked the sunlight. Overhead means above one's head. Blocked means prevented. It's just like in books where something magical happens, said Arun. It's so exciting. Magical means charming and wonderful. Exciting means causing great enthusiasm and eagerness. They found their way out of the forest into fields of blue and red flowers. Butterflies were flitting from flower to flower. Flit means to move lightly and quickly. The fields were lit by the evening sun. Standing in the field was a white horse with silver wings. Wow, it's Pegasus, the winged horse, exclaimed Ammu. Exclaimed means cried out suddenly and loudly. They walked towards it and Pegasus raised its head. Who are you? Asked Pegasus. Arun answered shyly. Shyly means with nervousness and fear. I am Arun and this is Ammu. Pegasus looked at them curiously. Curious means eager to know something. Where did you come from? Pegasus asked. We came through a magic mirror, said Ammu. Well, that would have been exciting, said Pegasus. It will soon be dark. I had better go home, said Pegasus. Can we come too? Asked the children. Of course, climb onto my back, Pegasus said. They scrambled onto Pegasus' back. Scramble means to climb quickly with difficulty using your hands. They soared through the air and finally landed on soft warm grass under a big tree. Soar means to fly high in the air. Finally means at last. They then flew through a forest, a field, and over a hill to a cottage. Cottage means a small, simple house. A man in a blue robe opened the door and asked them to follow him in. Robe means long, loose outer garments. Follow means go or come after. They followed him into a room where they saw a mirror. It looked exactly like the mirror in their attic. Exactly means in every way. Step into the mirror and you will be home, said Pegasus. The children thanked Pegasus. Thanked means express gratitude. They stepped into the mirror and found themselves back in the attic. It was still raining. Arun looked at Ammu and said, that was the most exciting adventure we have ever had. Adventure means an exciting and daring experience. Yes, really, Ammu said. They heard their mother calling them. They got down from the attic and walked into the kitchen just in time for dinner. Got down means descended. Dinner means the main meal of the day or a formal evening meal. They told their mother about their adventure, but she did not believe it. When they went to bed, they dreamed of going through the mirror and having more exciting adventures. Dream means a series of images and feelings occurring in the mind during sleep. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Magic mirror, rainy afternoon, nothing, Ammu, Arun, bored, decided, explore, attic, dark, dusty, surprisingly, shiny, reflection, struck, wired, junk, stretched, amazement, withdrew, nodded, stepped, suddenly, overheard, blocked, magical, exciting, butterflies, flitting, evening sun, white horse, silver wings, Pegasus, exclaimed, answered, shyly, curiously, scrambled, climbed, soared, landed, blue robe, followed, thanked, exactly, adventure, dinner, believe, dreamed. Okay, my dear student friends, see you next week by Madhuri Seven's beautiful poem Mirror Mirror. Thank you.